welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to block all adult website on Google Chrome in Android mobile. So let's get started. So if you want to block all adult website on Google Chrome in your Android device, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your Chrome browser just tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you just have to scroll down and you will find privacy and security option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, from here what you have to do is just simply scroll down and you will find use security NS. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now you'll find choose browsing. So just simply select your browsing and change it to family filter. And after changing it to family filters, now you'll block all the websites in your Chrome browser which contain adult content. So that's it guys. This is how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome in Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.